Hey everyone, what's up? You're watching Valor. Today I'm going to show you how to create a collection in Steam. So let's head into Steam, into your library. And there's this button here, it looks like a Windows window. We click on it and click Create a new collection. There we go. We can make a dynamic collection that automatically gathers and updates games proportional to your library's growth, or simply create a manual collection. Yes. We click Yes. Here you can configure the visibility of your collection. So people can either see your collection or not, it's up to you. Personally, I don't care either way. Now we click over here. So how do we add to it? Simply drag a game over. There we go. And you've created your collection. There it is. Drag your games here and collect away. That's all there is to it. This has been Valor. See you later.